You don't need a gym to build muscle, lose fat, or stay fit. You need structure, not equipment. The truth is, your body doesn't recognize fancy machines or expensive memberships. It only understands resistance, tension, and recovery. Every muscle you build, every ounce of fat you burn, every improvement in strength happens because of biology, not branding. What matters is not where you train, but how you train. That's the foundation of 15-Minute Physique, a science-based system that transforms your body using only time, consistency, and structure. Most people fail not because they're lazy, but because their system fails them. They jump between workouts that don't connect, diets that contradict each other, and routines that collapse after a week. You don't need more motivation, you need design. A clear, evidence-based structure that fits real life. Short, intelligent, and consistent. That's exactly what 15-Minute Physique gives you. For the next 30 days, we'll rebuild your body from home through a physiological framework built on 3 pillars: movement, fuel, and recovery. Every day, you'll complete a precise 15-minute bodyweight routine that challenges your muscles through progressive overload, small, measurable increases that force adaptation. You'll understand why each movement matters, not just how to perform it. Your nutrition will follow science: protein for repair, carbohydrates for energy, fats for hormonal balance, and calories managed with purpose. Recovery won't be optional. It's the phase where growth actually happens, through sleep, hydration, sunlight, and stress control. Data confirms the problem. The average American exercises less than 2 hours a week, and most quit the gym within a month. Time, money, and access destroy consistency. But your body doesn't care about location. It cares about stimulus and recovery. 15 minutes a day, done correctly, is enough to trigger metabolic adaptation, muscle repair, and fat loss. That's not hype. That's physiology. Your muscles don't know dumbbells. They know tension. Your metabolism doesn't understand trends. It understands balance. Your brain doesn't need motivation. It needs momentum. Each day of 15-Minute Physique follows the principle of progressive overload. More control, more tension, less rest. Those micro adjustments create change. Each repetition tears muscle fibers microscopically. Recovery rebuilds them stronger. Every night of deep sleep releases growth hormone and resets your body's chemistry. Every glass of water improves performance, energy, and focus. Every balanced meal supports the cycle of growth and repair. This is real science, stripped of noise. This program isn't for influencers or fitness models. It's for real people who want results without sacrificing their schedule or wallet. The PDFs you'll receive with each day, workouts, nutrition, recovery trackers, are tools of structure, not marketing. Because when structure exists, motivation becomes irrelevant. 15-Minute Physique isn't a challenge, it's a rebuild. Over the next 30 days, you'll watch your strength rise, your energy stabilize, your confidence return. You'll feel the difference before you see it. Posture sharper, breathing deeper, recovery faster. The gym never mattered. The equipment never mattered. The routine did. This is your first step toward long-term control of your body, time, and discipline. From here forward, your home becomes your training ground, and your body becomes proof of structure over chaos. No noise, no hype, just results. Welcome to 15-Minute Physique. Science, structure, and strength. Tomorrow, we begin with your foundation. 5 essential bodyweight movements that rebuild your strength from zero.